Hi, I'm Dave Daft, and I'm here to show you how quick and easy it is to install your new CX20 robotic cleaner. Now, setting up the cleaner. First, push the foot into position onto the e-box. Then we're going to get your cable from your CX20 and position into the e-box until you hear a nice click. Then we're going to grab our power cable and plug it into our power source. Just remember, just making sure that your power source is a minimum of 3.5 meters away from your swimming pool. Now, grab your cleaner and put it into the swimming pool and making sure that you get all air bubbles out. Then release and let the cleaner fall to the bottom. Now, making sure you have your cable and it's all spread out evenly along the swimming pool. So now I'm going to go through the functionality of the CX20 e-box. Now you need to choose the cleaning surface, whether you want floor only or both floor and walls. Now you're ready to begin cleaning. You will see on the e-box there is a surface control button. This section shows the grip intensity based on your pool surface when cleaning the walls. So 1 is for a rough surface, such as pebble. 2 is for painted concrete. 3 is for vinyl or fiberglass, and 4 is for smoother surfaces. The default grip setting is on concrete. However, you can change the wall climb setting anytime during the cleaner operation by pressing the SCS button to adjust the levels based on your pool surface. Each time you press one additional LED, it will be a stronger grip. To decrease the grip level, press the SCS button to cycle through back to a lower setting that you need. To stop the cleaner, press the Start/Stop button. Once the cleaning cycle is finished, always remove the robotic by the handle. Pull up vertically and allow all the water to release. After your cleaning cycle is finished, just rinse the cleaner with some fresh water. You can also use soapy water as well and just rinse thoroughly. Always remember to untangle your cable after each use. Disconnect your cable from your e-box and disconnect the e-box from your power source. So cleaning the filter canister, the first step is to press the push and go button, which will release the handle. Remove, and looking for the yellow tabs either side, pushing up, which will release the filter canister. Now, using your hose, empty the canister. Now repeat the process, putting back into place. And done. Always remember to keep your cleaner out of direct sunlight. Thanks for watching and enjoy your CX20 cleaner.